Making money online is no longer just a dream, it is a modern lifestyle. The world of freelancing pushes the boundaries of traditional office life, offering unique freedom and flexibility. To be your own boss, work from anywhere, and turn your skills into direct income, all you need is a solid strategy and persistence. In this guide, we will cover everything you need to know about starting from scratch and becoming a successful freelancer in today's digital economy. The first step to earning online is identifying where you can create value. Whether it is graphic design, coding, writing, or digital marketing, what are you truly good at? Instead of trying to do everything, specializing in a specific niche sets you apart. Clients don't look for a jack of all trades, they look for a specialist who can solve their specific problems. List your skills, analyze market demand, and choose the path that fits your expertise best. Freelance platforms are your biggest allies in finding work. Globally, giants like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer lead the way. Each platform has its own unique workflow and commission structure. Start by researching these sites to see which one fits your style and expertise. Choosing the right platform directly impacts how fast you land your first gig. Take time to explore their interfaces and see where your specific niche is most active and profitable. In the digital world, your profile page is your storefront. Clients will examine it closely before deciding to work with you. You need a professional photo, a clear headline, and a bio that highlights your skills. Don't just list what you do, explain the value you bring to the client. Use SEO-friendly keywords in your bio so you appear higher in search results. A well-crafted profile builds immediate trust and sets the stage for a successful long-term career. Words are cheap, but results speak for themselves. In freelancing, the best way to convince a client is to show them your previous work. Even if you haven't had a professional gig yet, create your own projects to fill your portfolio. Use platforms like Behance for design or GitHub for code. Your portfolio is tangible proof of your skill level and work ethic. Always prioritize quality over quantity, as one great piece of work can land you dozens of high-paying jobs. Pricing is often the biggest challenge for newcomers. Setting rates to low devalues your work, while setting them to high might scare off clients. Research what your competitors are charging. At the start, you might offer competitive rates to build a reputation and collect reviews. As your experience and positive feedback grow, you can gradually increase your fees. Decide whether an hourly rate or a fixed project price works best for the specific type of service you provide. When applying for jobs, avoid copy-paste templates. Every proposal should be personalized and specific to the job post. Show that you understand the client's problem and explain clearly how you intend to solve it. Your first few sentences must be eye-catching to keep them reading. Mention your relevant experience to build confidence. A great cover letter is just as important as your technical skills when it comes to winning the client over and beating the competition. How you communicate is just as important as your technical ability. Responding quickly, being polite, and remaining solution-oriented makes you the preferred choice. Keeping the client informed at every stage and giving early notice about potential delays is a hallmark of professionalism. Remember, a happy client is not just a one-time paycheck. They are a recurring source of income and your best marketing tool through referrals. Treat every interaction with care. The biggest challenge of working from home is managing your time. Without an office routine, distractions can kill your productivity. Set fixed working hours and create a dedicated workspace. Use techniques like the Pomodoro method to stay focused. Making daily and weekly to-do lists ensures you meet your deadlines. A successful freelancer is someone who plans their time like a corporate manager and sticks to that plan religiously to maintain a healthy work-life balance. If you have a way with words, content writing is a popular way to earn online. There is a constant demand for blog posts, product descriptions, social media copy, and technical articles. However, just writing isn't enough. You must master SEO rules to keep readers engaged. Quality content creators are priceless to brands. If you can write in multiple languages, your chances of earning in foreign currencies increase significantly. It's a field with endless opportunities. In a visual-driven digital age, graphic designers are always in demand. You can specialize in logo design, corporate identity, social media visuals, or UI/UX design. Mastering tools like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or Canva is a must. Following trends and developing a unique style will make you stand out. Your designs should not only look good but also be functional and align with the brand's soul. Creativity combined with technical skill is a highly profitable mix. Software development is one of the highest-paying fields in the freelance world. If you are proficient in web development, mobile apps, or data analytics, a global market is waiting for you. By mastering languages like Python, JavaScript, or PHP, you can build impactful projects. In software, it's not just about writing code. Problem-solving and clean code principles are vital. Staying updated in this fast-paced field will ensure your income grows just as quickly. Managing a brand's digital presence is a dynamic and essential role. As a social media manager, you plan content, manage ads, and analyze engagement. Understanding how algorithms work and analyzing the target audience are keys to success. Everyone from small businesses to large corporations needs a solid social media strategy. Success in this field can elevate you to a strategic partner role, where you help businesses grow their reach and revenue through digital channels. Busy executives and entrepreneurs often delegate operational tasks to virtual assistants. This role includes email management, scheduling, data entry, or research tasks. If you are organized, meticulous, and reliable, virtual assistants could be perfect for you. This field offers long-term stability for those seeking a steady income. A good assistant becomes the right hand of the person they work for, making them an indispensable part of the business's daily operations. If you are multilingual, you can easily turn that skill into profit. You can work as a freelancer in text translation, subtitling, localization, or even live interpretation. Fees are particularly high for specialized fields like technical, medical, or legal translation. It's not just about word-for-word translation. Cultural adaptation is what makes a translator high quality. Those who can bridge language barriers will always find a place in the competitive global market. You can generate passive income by teaching what you know. You can publish video courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, or give private lessons via Zoom. Whatever your expertise, whether it's playing piano, using Excel, or cooking, there is an audience wanting to learn it. Training materials with a good curriculum and engaging delivery are valuable digital assets that continue to earn you money even while you sleep. Turn your knowledge into a scalable business. Digital products you create once and sell repeatedly are a gateway to financial freedom. This category includes ebooks, design templates, stock photos, code snippets, or digital planners. You can market these on Etsy, Creative Market, or your own website. The biggest advantage of digital products is the lack of physical inventory or shipping costs. By merging your creativity with market needs, you can build a highly scalable and automated income model for yourself. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale. If you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or a strong social media following, this can be a significant revenue stream. The key is to recommend products you genuinely find useful without breaking your followers' trust. Join programs like Amazon Associates to start sharing links. With the right strategy, this is one of the most sustainable ways to make money online today. Using artificial intelligence tools can increase your freelance speed and quality tenfold. You can create drafts with Chat, generate visuals with Midjourney, or speed up coding with GitHub Copilot. Don't see AI as a competitor, but as an assistant that boosts your efficiency. Learning to use these tools effectively allows you to finish jobs faster and focus on more projects, ultimately increasing your income. Staying tech-savvy is a requirement in the modern age. When you start earning online, don't ignore the financial side. Tracking your income, recording expenses, and fulfilling tax obligations are parts of being a professional. Look into local regulations regarding small business or freelancer taxes. Set aside a portion of your earnings to grow your business, take courses, or build an emergency fund. Solid financial planning ensures your freelance career is long-lived and provides the security you need for the future. In the freelance world, knowing English expands your market from local to global. Receiving payments in dollars or euros can significantly multiply your income relative to local currencies. Focus on learning enough to negotiate with clients and express yourself clearly beyond just technical terms. Being able to apply for jobs anywhere in the world offers economic freedom independent of local crises. Language is your strongest key to opening doors to the global market. LinkedIn is not just a CV site. It is a massive business development tool for freelancers. Organize your profile like a portfolio and establish authority by sharing posts about your field. Connect with potential clients and offer value-driven content. Instead of asking for work directly, position yourself as a professional who provides solutions. Active LinkedIn use can open doors to high-budget corporate projects that you might never find on standard job boards. There are thousands of freelancers out there. Why should they choose you? This is where personal branding comes in. You should have your own logo, color palette, website, and a unique working style. People prefer to work with a person rather than a faceless institution. Share your knowledge, show the behind the scenes of your projects, and be honest. A strong brand helps clients find you and allows you to escape price wars by charging what you are truly worth. Reputation is everything in the freelance world. After completing every job, ask your client to leave an honest review. Positive feedback is the most convincing proof for new clients. The higher your rating in a star system, the more you stand out in platform algorithms. If you make a mistake, work hard to fix it and prioritize customer satisfaction. Remember, fixing one bad review is much harder than earning many good ones. Your reputation is your legacy. The digital world changes at a breakneck pace. A tool you use today might be obsolete tomorrow. A successful freelancer is a lifelong student. Follow innovations in your field, learn new software, and attend certification programs. Every investment you make in yourself increases the quality of your service and your income. Instead of resisting change, lead it by keeping your skill set updated. Stay curious, stay humble, and always look for the next thing to master. In the early days of your freelance career, things might move slowly. You may not get any work for weeks. At this point, not giving up is critical. Making money online is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep improving your profile, sending proposals, and polishing your skills. Once you land your first job and positive reviews start accumulating, the wheels will start turning on their own. Patience and determination separate the successful from those who quit halfway. The internet has as many risks as it does opportunities. Be wary of people who want you to work for free, offer payment outside of platforms, or expect you to click on suspicious links. Use the escrow payment systems provided by trusted platforms. Always have a clear agreement or platform approval before starting work. Protecting your labor is your responsibility. Trust your instincts and be skeptical of offers that seem too good to be true. Better safe than sorry. When you are your own boss, work hours can easily bleed into your personal life. Working constantly will eventually lower your productivity and lead to burnout. Create rest periods, spend time on hobbies, and step away from the screen. Your physical and mental health are your greatest assets. Learning to say no, not taking on more work than you can handle, and getting regular sleep are vital for a long-term career. A healthy mind produces much more creative work. Familiarize yourself with tools that speed up your workflow. Use Trello or Asana for project management, Slack for communication, and Google Drive for cloud storage. Organize your meetings with calendar apps and measure how much time you spend on each task with time trackers. Having the right set of tools prevents work from becoming chaotic and gives you a professional discipline. Technology is your greatest ally. Use it wisely to stay ahead of the curve every day. Before starting a project, it is always good to agree on a text that protects the rights of both parties. Prepare a simple contract that includes the scope of work, delivery time, number of revisions, and payment terms. This protects you and the client from potential disputes. Professional platforms provide some protection, but for private jobs, always get written approval. Setting clear boundaries ensures the process is peaceful, transparent, and fair for everyone. Who are you selling your services to? Small business owners, startups, or large corporations? The better you know your target audience, the more effectively you can reach them. Each group has different budgets, expectations, and languages. Startups might value speed and innovation, while corporations value security and documentation. Segment your clients and shape your marketing strategy accordingly to send the right message to the right people at the right time. When working from home, it's hard to leave the office because your office is also your living space. Make it a habit to turn off notifications and stop checking work emails after a certain hour. Time spent with your family and yourself indirectly increases your work quality. A work life without clear boundaries can lead to unhappiness. Remember, we work to live, not live to work. Finding that balance is the sweetest part of success and leads to a sustainable, happy life. When your work becomes too intense and you can no longer keep up alone, it is time to grow. You can collaborate with other freelancers or transition to an agency model by working with subcontractors. Delegating tasks allows you to take on larger projects. At this stage, your leadership and management skills come into play. Your freelance journey can transform into a successful digital company with the right steps. Always keep your vision wide and aim for growth. The world is rapidly evolving toward hybrid and fully remote work models. The gig economy will become the mainstream way of working in the future. Companies now find it more efficient to work with specialized freelancers on a project basis rather than maintaining fixed costs. Being a part of this change provides you with a secure career path for today and the future. Be open to innovation, keep up with technology, and don't hesitate to explore global opportunities. We have covered all the fundamental stones of making money online and the freelance world. Knowledge alone is not enough. Action is what makes the difference. Set a goal for yourself today and take your first step. Maybe it's creating a profile or preparing a portfolio piece. Small steps turn into great successes over time. The best time to write your own story is right now. I wish you success on this exciting journey. May your path be clear and your earnings be plenty.